Okay, here we go. I bought a camera, bought a cable, bought all kinds of stuff, which after 3 weeks I found out I didn't need. Well, here we are. I'm going for the live stream. You'll find all types, everything that I can find about questions in Facebook about Clo3D and suing the connection in my live stream. So if you have questions, stay tuned in and you'll get a message as soon as I'm going on a stream. I'll put the same message on Facebook. So keep signed in if you have an interest in this link. The link between Clo3D, the digital suing, and make it real for you. I'm not only talking about clothing, because I want to show you something. On my side here, and I'm going to try to put this on the right side, you see my bed. And this bed has a cover, and I mean this cover, sorry, I'll stay on the other side, this cover, and a side table hanging on the bed. This is a plate that I made. Everything you can make in Clo3D and make it real. And I mean this bed itself, the wooden bed, I designed in Clo3D and I made it in real time. I'm sleeping on it. It's not only a bed, of course you can see it's also a couch. And with it also the side table over there, and there's a nightstand over here, also hanging on the bed, made however I wanted it. I made more things, but it's just for you to show. I'm sorry, the camera is a bit... Okay, there we are again. That was a little foreplay, sorry, so to speak, a little preparation to understand what we're going to do. It's not only about clothing. You have to look at it wider, broader, and all in there. We're going to make your house, if you of course want that, we're going to make your house as you want it. With wood, with fabric, with foam, with everything that you can imagine. Really, your imagination is the only boundary this has. It really is true. I'll see you in the live stream. Get your acts together and see you there.